Hello, friends. In this video, I wanted to show you how easy it is to make ranch dressing. Because how many of you like ranch dressing? And you know that Hidden Valley, like no offense, they have their list of ingredients is super long. It has MSG and a whole bunch of other words that you cannot pronounce. And guess what? You don't need all those ingredients to make it taste good. And what if it only takes 5 minutes to make ranch dressing? And what if it tastes really good? And you have company over and they ask for your recipe because it's so good. Yeah, this is possible. I've been doing this for more than 20 years and I wanted to share it with you. I'm Gwendolyn Davis. I'm a wellness warrior. I'm a force for good and a force for God. And I love sharing healthy tips so that you can start getting the results you want in your life. And one of those tips, ingredients do matter. It really does matter what we are putting into our body. And our bodies need food that are nourishing us, that are helping our cells and our organ and our skin and our hair and all that stuff. Okay, so let's get to the ranch dressing. Only 6 ingredients. You ready? Here we go. I'll post the recipe at the end so you don't have to be writing it down. You can screenshot it later. Okay, so ranch dressing, you need a container. This one has that ball thing in it, so it's going to help mix it. Whatever container you have, I'm sure it's going to work. So there you go. You got the container. And then we have buttermilk, 1 cup of buttermilk. Even the ingredients on buttermilk, they put some stuff in there that your body doesn't need. So read your ingredients. Carrageenan is in a lot of buttermilk. You don't need it. This one is just milk, has some salt and some live cultures. Yay. So bonus that we're getting some probiotics here. This one I got at Sprouts. So just a cup. If perchance you don't have any buttermilk, but you really want to make ranch dressing, I believe the substitution, a cup of milk with a tablespoon of lemon juice. Okay, you got a cup of buttermilk. Then mayonnaise. Now, this brand is by far the best because it's avocado oil is what it's made with, eggs, no natural flavorings, no artificial flavorings, just clean ingredients. Okay. And so it's 1 cup of mayonnaise. Now, to make it a little bit healthier, you can choose to do some yogurt. So you could try 1/4 cup of yogurt and 3/4 cup of mayonnaise, or do half and half, or 3/4 and 1/4. You're going to figure out what works for your taste buds. For the yogurt, Greek yogurt is thicker and it has more protein. And I totally love this brand because it has 21 grams of protein and it's really thick and it tastes good and it's packed with probiotics and a lot of other good reasons. Personally, I don't think fat is bad for our body. So anytime I'm doing something like dairy, like yogurt, it's going to be full fat. Most low fat has a ton of sugar, and sugar converts to fat in your body. So let's give it the nutrients it needs. I've done research, and that's what I find true to me. So there's so many things out there. You choose what you want to believe. Okay. And then you just have 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of parsley flakes, half a teaspoon of onion powder, not salt, onion powder. And this is granulated garlic, a half a teaspoon, or you can do garlic powder. But this is similar, but it's not garlic salt. Then, of course, you need the salad to go with it, right? Or carrots or celery. One of my clients is eating a salad every day for lunch, and she's so happy she got a salad spinner. Yay. Why do you need a salad spinner? Well, keeps your salad fresh longer. I like put this bowl in the sink and then I put the romaine lettuce on a cutting board. I cut it in the pieces, slide it off in here, and then I put my fruit and vegetable spray wash and then add water and I wash it. So then it's clean lettuce, right? Then I'm gonna pour it in here to drain it, and then I'm gonna use the sprayer and rinse the lettuce some more, and then I'm gonna spin it. Okay, easy. Then you can add purple cabbage if you want to your salad for some more nutrients. And the color is kind of fun. You can add cucumbers, carrot slices. I mean, whatever you want to add to your salad. That. Okay, so there you have it. Some tips for making ranch dressing so you can enjoy your salads. Guess what? I got to go to Houston for 2 weeks. I have a new granddaughter, and I got to hold her and help with her and play with my 4-year-old grandson. And my daughter sent me this shirt. My name is Lolly. And the neighborhood kids, it's so much fun when they call me Lolly. And so, yay, I wanted to show off my shirt that I got. All right, my friends, it's so fun sharing and doing these videos. So please like and subscribe and share with your friends. Let's get the word out. Eating healthy can be easy. It doesn't have to be hard. All right, my friends, you got this. Bye.